G'day, Courtney Tallon from Wylies Baths, Dave Conroy from the Lone Drainer. I'm just checking in with you Saturday, 1st of August, 4 months and a bit after the start of the coronavirus lockdown here in Sydney, Australia. I'm looking forward to catching up with you over the next 2 weeks to find out how Wylies Baths is going and share ideas on what the future looks like for your part of the world. So I hope we get to talk soon and see that beautiful smiling face.
Okay, well, sounds good. Yeah, we're looking like maybe not this week, but potentially next week to reopen, pending health guidelines. But we've had a long 100+ days of repairs and maintenance down here at the baths, and things are looking really sharp. But the staff and our patrons are pretty keen to get back into a routine of sorts, and to certainly have our swimmers back enjoying the place.
Oh, don't you worry. I've seen them on the beach, on the street, in the traffic, or chomping at the bit, waiting.
They're a bit lost.
Yeah. It's a magnet for this little community. So good job, you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Look forward to catching up with you very, very shortly. And bye for now.